Hello hopefuls, and today I just have a really small Aldi haul. I actually was not going to share it, but I said why not share it. And y'all, do y'all hear that? It's quiet. Today is the first day of kindergarten for Josiah, and I got a little sad. I was excited because I get to do things and get some things done, and if I want to go to school or work outside the home, I can. And if you're new, when I started my channel, Josiah was a newborn, and I just recorded his nursery, and then I just kept on recording from there. So that video was a mess, but yeah, that was the very first video, and that was over 5 years ago. So thanks so much if you've been hanging with me from the beginning and decided went to school today. I'll make sure I insert a clip, and then of course, I put some pictures on Instagram, and I think I'm going to do like a snippet of the entire summer. We didn't do a whole lot. We didn't get to go to the beach. I know some of you guys love when we go to the beach, and I'll vlog that, but we didn't get to do that this year. Just a little different when Trey going off to college and stuff, getting ready for that, and it's expensive. 3 kids, they're eating me out of house and home all the time, but the bill's going down because Trey went back to school, and I haven't had to go to the grocery store as much. Today, this haul is really small, but it's mainly stuff for them to take for snacks or for their lunches, or just something to add for dinner. So I think I spent $34. Really wasn't trying to spend that much, but still. So I think today I am going to make like hamburger steak, Salisbury steak or whatever. So I needed some rice. I was surprised I didn't have any of that. Some brown gravy. I got the reduced sodium and, excuse my nails, y'all, and the regular. And I really don't pick up the juices for Josiah. He has a water bottle he takes to school, but I wanted to give him some juice too. He takes his lunch. He's real finicky. JJ was real finicky too, and he still is, but he never really took his lunch that I know he was going to take it every day, but Josiah probably will take it every day. Right now JJ is complaining about his high school, so JJ went to high school, y'all. He's complaining about that a little bit, but I asked him if he wants to take. He doesn't, so I guess he's worried about maybe the way he looks. I'm not sure, so we'll see. And then he'll get probably to the point where he doesn't really care, because I'm surprised, because JJ really don't care what people think. But anyway, the cream of mushroom soup. I wanted some of these, the fruit and grain bars, cereal bars, the apple cinnamon, because sometimes I went to the gym today, cleaned out the car, went to Aldi, and sometimes I was waiting to see an Instacart order will pop up and I may be hungry, but today I wasn't really hungry. The mini peanut butter sandwiches, Josiah loves these. He's asked, he said, Mama, can you get some? The frosted brown sugar and cinnamon Pop-Tarts. I'm getting ready to bring the breakfast bar back, but I'm not putting it up here because this is like a clutter zone. And I'm putting it on the other side because I'm kind of tired of the aisle and being in the middle of the kitchen. So I moved it on the other side of the bar here. And I'll share with you guys soon because I organized that yesterday. The top ramen. My boys always ask for this. I don't care for it. I used to love it when I was their age. But yeah. So I don't really care for them to eat it. But they ask for it. The chewy chocolate chip bars. I think JJ has a slight peanut butter allergy. I think when I was his age, I did too. And then it kind of doesn't bother me anymore. Sometimes peanut butter will kind of give me indigestion, but I don't eat it all the time. But he will, his throat will start itching and he has to make that noise. So, but he does eat granola. He kind of don't like nuts either, but he will eat the chocolate chip. And, you know, high school lunch lines can be a little bit long. And he's always hungry, y'all, all the time. So I got those for him, and he likes those. I've been loving this dish liquid lately from Aldi. It's $1.99, and Aldi doesn't carry this particular Essential 1000 all the time. So I only got the smaller pack. I only got the smaller pack. I'm talking loud like I'm the only one here. Jason's asleep. He probably can't hear me. But I got the 4-pack because they didn't have the big pack today. And I'm in there all the time with Instacart, and I notice they don't have it all the time. I got the honey ham. Josiah loves ham sandwiches, but today he has PB&J because we were all out. That's his favorite. And then I've been getting this sharp deli sliced cheese. You don't get as much. You go through it a little bit quicker, but it's only 11 slices, but I like it. I got some corn on the cob probably for a meal one day. We had shrimp or fish or something. And then I've been eyeing these guys, and I think Trail got one of these. I've been eyeing these little salads at Aldi. These are like $2.89. They're kind of pricey, y'all. And I like the chef salad, but the chef salad has iceberg lettuce in it, and I just don't like that. So, plus it's harder for me to digest after surgery. So this has romaine lettuce in it, and this is the chicken Caesar, and that's what it has in it. I got some red grapes. They're 89 cents this week. I got 2 loaves of the honey wheat for sandwiches, and then I got the snack combo. I don't like to get this a lot because they go through it super quick. It's $4.49, and I saw that they have another one right now that's like a limited buy. Sometimes they have it. I think it's $4.99. But anyway, I thought I could put this in Sia's lunch. He'll also like take the Go-Gurt Aldi brand. I can't think what it's called, but you guys seen it in my hauls. He likes the Oreos to take. I know, a lot of mess, y'all. That's about it. So the peanut butter crackers, the yogurt. He is not too many options. Peanut butter and jelly or a ham sandwich. Seemed like it was something else we put in his lunch. We may try chicken nuggets or something. Cook them, of course, ahead of time. Put them in his lunch and see like that. Oh, the potatoes. I got that in another haul. You guys probably will see that haul before you see this haul. So that's it, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Hi, guys. So I have a really small Aldi little haul here, grocery haul. I was doing Instacart today. Today is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day to you all. And it's September 2nd, so happy September. Yes. Did you say something? So guys, I'm going to throw just a little bit of items, just so I was talking to me. On the grill, we not sure exactly what the hurricane's going to do. So as I was shopping today, I think I went to Food Line once, Aldi twice. Yeah, I only had 3 orders today. From 10 to, when did I start? 10 to 1. 10 to 1 today. Yeah, so as I was going in, I did one thing of water and then another thing of water. I was tempted to get some from Food Line, but Food Line was $2.50. I know it's only like 51 cents more, but I just, every 50 cent counts. Okay, so I've been picking this up, and I think they say you should have a case of water for every person in the house, and so I probably need 3 more. So I may get 2 more tomorrow. They're $1.99 right now. I've got some hamburger buns for the grill, and then I got some hot dogs. I got the classic hot dogs, the chicken and pork, and then I like to get the beef as well. So I got the jumbo. These are 99 cents, and then these were 79. I got some hot dog buns. I don't know why I just picked up one thing of hot dog buns. And then Josiah goes to school tomorrow, finally. So if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I posted that he went to, of course, early start weeks ago, over a month ago. Then he went to staggered entry, and staggered entry 9 or more years ago was totally different. The kindergartner started a whole week later. So I was totally confused, and Jason and I thought that Josiah was going to start going to school once he went to his staggered entry date, which I picked Wednesday, and he didn't. Then they had Meet Your Teacher on Friday. So now it makes sense why Meet Your Teacher was on Friday, because they didn't have a teacher yet. And anyway, This is for his lunch. And he finally starts after the holiday. He starts Tuesday, kindergarten. So I'm happy for that, to start on a schedule. And then, because if you are new to my channel, I started my channel when Josiah was a newborn. Okay, so beef burgers, these are the 85-15. I'm getting ready to throw these on the grill, season them just a little bit. Usually I just put like some onion powder, some garlic salt, and some pepper. That's it. And yeah, cook these on the grill. I didn't feel like patting them up today. These are like $9, y'all, so that's still a lot for me, but I didn't want the really greasy kind that's a little bit cheaper. I just got one thing of baked beans. I hope this is enough, but we have corn on cob that I picked up the other day, and then some chili, and I like to get the country style. May doctor this up a little bit, but not too much. But that's it. I also got some ice cream sandwiches because Josiah and them love them, for something to eat after dinner. But that is it, guys, for today. So what did you guys do today on Labor Day? Did you just relax? Did you go grocery shopping? It was a lot of people out. Are you getting ready for the hurricane? Just let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you guys watching so much. I don't take it for granted at all. I appreciate you all for your support, for coming back over and over again, even on Facebook and Instagram, just showing so much love for any little thing that I share on the channel. So thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. So this is another snippet of a little haul. I went in there in between Instacarts. I actually saw an alert for an Instacart when I pulled up, and usually I don't take them, but this one I went ahead and took it. I probably shouldn't have, because it was like only like a $2 and some change tip, and then they live 7 miles away. But I went ahead and grabbed it because Instacart raised the payment, because they call it peak payment or peak something. They'll raise it a couple of more dollars. I think it was like up to $4 extra on top of the payment, because it just sat there, and that's probably why, because of the distance, and it was raining. So what hurricane is this? Dorian is just now coming into our area. So anyway, tonight we're gonna have tacos. Let's see, what did I do today? Yeah, went to the gym, 3 Instacarts, only plan to do 2, and then we'll have tacos, and then I picked up some breakfast stuff for the boys. So of course the taco seasoning that you guys see me all the time pick up, the romaine hearts. I'm actually going to, I always say I'm gonna do it and I never do. Far as the tacos, like, don't use the tortilla, the soft shell, and just use the lettuce. So I'm gonna do that today because I've been working so hard at the gym. Some taco style cheese. It was $2.49. The cheese is up higher right now because usually it's like $1.99 or something. Well, usually it's $2.49. Some 80-20. I have noticed that this is higher because I remember it used to be $6-7. Let's see, how much is it per pound? $2.44 per pound. No, $3.29 per pound, and it's $2.44. So yeah, the flour tortillas, just picked up one of these because I'm sure we have some. Jason's last day is today, so I texted him while I was in there, and I knew it was going to rain a lot, so I didn't know if I was going to be back in the Aldi, even with Instacart. So I asked him, did he want some cookies? They're $1.24. He loves those. He actually wasn't eating those last time he was off, so he's doing better. He burns it off anyway. Sour cream and onion chips, potato chips if someone wants to make a quick sandwich. The organic hot, thick and chunky salsa, it's like $1.89. The milk is $1.97 right now, $1.98. I got the small thing of toilet paper, the Scott's, I think it's like 2 compared to Scott's, the Essential Willow 1000, it is $2.19. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch Dupe by Millville, it's $1.39, y'all. And one of these is $1.29 and the rest of them is $1.39. I haven't picked up cereal in a while. This is the second time, by the time you guys see this haul, and I haven't been picking up cereal, but I just started back. The fruit rounds, I think this was $1.29, and then the marshmallows and stars, I called JJ and asked him what he liked, and he liked this. The only one I didn't pick up this time, I picked up last time, was the Frosted Flakes, and it's all different types of cereal that they like. Yeah, so that's it, y'all, for this little haul. Tacos tonight. If you are near Hurricane Dorian or in its path on the East Coast, make sure you be safe and take care.